Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today there will be a special episode. But why so special? Because we won't be painting today. I want to show you how I rebuilt the Vasquez headset to make it look more like the one in the movie. I hope you will like this episode because I'm planning to rebuild a couple more things here in this model. Yeah, it doesn't have to be done, but I want to keep the model as close to original movie character as it possible. Okay folks, we start now by cleaning the elements. Then we will need something like a small Dremel or hand drill to make a hole to all elements before connecting them again. The elements I'm gonna connect with something like a small rods, diameter about 1 millimeter. Now we need a small hobby saw. We have to cut some elements, but of course you can do it in advance in slicer and print it like ready to go, but I like to complicate my life. We do the first test to see is everything is well fitted, and then we start creating cables. A 1 millimeter wire from Green Stuff World is a perfect for making headset cables or any kind of cables. This wire is perfect in the scale. It's very flexible and can be also shaped very easily. Kitbash. I don't know if this term says anything to you. In general, it's about building something from other elements and combining them to create something new. Personally, I really like to build something with elements that I have left from, for example, from previous models. And in this case, we will add some details using photo etched elements left over from building a tank in 1/35 scale. Okay, we can put now everything together. I'm really happy with this effect. It's still not 100% movie accurate, but it's very close. And we're gonna add one more element to this, the visor. Okay, the tracking system ocular, it should have something like rubber isolation around this, so it fits better into the eye socket. Unfortunately, this element is missing in our model, and we will recreate it using a 2-compound epoxy putty from Green Stuff World. This is absolutely amazing product that I have been using for years, and I'm always happy with the results, and I'm pretty sure here also that it will be the best for this task. shape this part better, I'm gonna use a silicone brush. And that will be it for today, guys. But expect a whole lot of content very soon. A lot of things are in preparation at the moment and coming to this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, and of course see you all in the next week.